Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a perfect gift idea for Mother's Day that's sure to make any new mom feel special. We're talking about the AGOT Mother's Day Gifts for Mom, a thoughtful and stylish 16-ounce coffee glass. Designed with both beauty and functionality in mind, this glass is not just any ordinary drinkware. It's crafted from premium quality glass, making it durable and safe for everyday use. Whether your mom enjoys her morning coffee or an evening beer, this versatile glass is perfect for both hot and cold beverages. Let's talk about what makes this glass stand out. Firstly, its elegant design is a blend of chic style and practicality. The sleek shape and transparent surface enhance its visual appeal, making it a joy to use at any gathering or quiet moment at home. Imagine surprising your mom with this on Mother's Day or any special occasion. It's not just a gift, it's a statement of appreciation. Whether it's a birthday, Christmas, or simply a gesture to say, "Thank you," this glass cup fits perfectly into any heartfelt moment. One of the standout features is its multi-purpose nature. It's not just for coffee. You can use it for tea, beer, iced drinks, or any beverage of choice. Plus, it's easy to clean and eco-friendly, which means it's a sustainable option for daily use. What sets this apart is its thoughtful design and the message it conveys. Every time your mom takes a sip, she'll be reminded of your love and thoughtfulness. It's a gift that goes beyond the ordinary. So, if you're looking for that perfect gift to celebrate Mother's Day or to show appreciation to a new mom, consider the AGOT Mother's Day Gifts for Mom. It's not just a glass, it's a cherished moment in every sip. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and gift ideas. Until next time, take care and happy shopping.